up, guys? It's Sizzle Fizzle. Yay, I'm gonna be trying McRib for the first time. Now, you might be wondering, Sizzle Fizzle, everybody's eating a McRib in their life. Well, I haven't, because I'm special. Whoa! Wow! That is elite too. I am going to eat it now. That's some good stuff. That was some burger.
McRib.
Alright, we're gonna be eating this pie now. Yeah. But she wants it. You want me to just like... Don't tell me you're filming.
5 seconds left.
What, you're filming? It's like...
Next video.